How to download Line application on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a simple way to download the Line app on your iPhone, then the process is quite easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open your App Store. In the search bar appearing at the bottom, type in Line and search. Look for the Line application from Line Corporation and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to initiate the download. Now wait for the application to install in your device. If you want to chat, make video or voice calls and stay connected with friends, then you can simply download this Line application. Soon after the app gets installed, you'll see an open button. Tap on it. And there you have successfully downloaded the Line application on your iOS device. Now you can go ahead and sign up for a new account if you don't have an account yet. Or if you have an existing one, you can tap on login and follow through the on-screen prompts. So that is how you easily download and install the Line application on your iPhone. Now you can start messaging friends, making calls, and exploring all the fun features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.